It's a beautiful sunny day here today. All trees are shining. Hello friends, good morning. Today is Sunday and it's morning 10:30. Now we are going to outside. The weather is very good here. It's a very beautiful sunny day. So we are going to a park. It's a big park, lots of tree and big trail for walking, biking. Let's go there. Beautiful sky. Oh, it's open now. The counter. No doors. Oh, so many people came here today. They're doing picnic there. Look. Yeah, we
Please help. Send help. Yeah.
Yay!
Siglito,
Leave my hand. What, Shanu?
Oh, those, those things that look like lotus seeds.
Yes. What are those?
Those are for umbrellas.
Right.
You put the cloth on it
Yes.
and it opens up.
Yes. Those things are for umbrella. Yeah. Some beautiful flower again. Come on. You'll do it by yourself. Come on. Yeah. Come. Yeah. Yeah. Area is so beautiful. You can easily spend here 3-4 hours. Normally we come every time after breakfast. 3 to 4 hours you can spend here easily. It's a very big area full of nature. So nice. These are the sitting area. This is the picnic area. We are walking still. So, the play area is totally closed, no? Here is also a big lake. It's a beautiful birds. Creep, creep. Where is the bird? I don't see him.
Oh, it's right there, it's right there.
Where? Oh, yeah. We found you. Pick. Pick. Yeah. Okay, let's go. 2 minutes back, we are there.
So,
We are there watching fish. And now we took the big round and came. Come.
oh, look at that frog. Let me tap.
No. No. Yeah. Church.
You got scared of you?
No, scared of you.
Name two species of animals that can understand human language.
Not
Crows can't understand.
animal. Animal means dog. Dog can understand human language, and parrot can understand human language.
Crows can imitate sounds.
Imitate, yeah. Look at the water. It's so clear.
Then it's not open. You can like try to match the color of the water and the sky.
Yeah, the same
They're
color.
shades.
Yeah, shade.
You
Yeah.
can try to find the right shade. I think it's that.
Wow. Let's go. Pigeon feather. It's not pigeon feather. It's crow feather. Duck, yes.
Oh
Duck.
yeah. Hey bro. Brother.
Now time is almost 12:30. We're going back to home. Not feels like going back to home right now, but it is the lunch time. We have to go. It's better if we come after lunch, and I can stay at least 3-4 hours here. So let's go and see you there.